Transform your overripened banana into the most irresistible, moist, and delicious treat you've ever tasted. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Consider subscribing, like, share, and hit the notification button. If you're returning, thank you. So today we are preparing banana bread. Banana bread is such an American staple. It is enjoyed in most families. It originates from the United States in the 1930s during the Depression, where people were looking for ways to save money and obviously trying not to throw away their overripe bananas. So they started using it to make some treats. Today we are going to do that. That is, make banana bread treat. So you can use overripened bananas. This one is ripe, but I actually want it much darker. So I am going to place them on a parchment paper. This is a quick hack to get your bananas ripened if you actually have bananas that are not ripened and you want to use them to make banana bread. Instead of waiting for a few days, you can just pop them in an oven at 350 degrees and then let them bake for about 10 to 15 minutes and they will be fully ripened. So that's what we're going to do right now. We are going to pop them in the oven at 350. While the banana is baking in the oven, we are going to combine all the other dry ingredients. So today we're doubling the actual recipe. Generally, the recipe calls for 1.5 cup. We are going to do a healthier version by substituting some of the ingredients. So we start with 2 cups of whole wheat flour. Normally you would use all-purpose flour, and you want to use flour that has a high percentage of gluten, about anywhere between 13 to 14%. This particular whole wheat flour is about 13.9%. And then I'm going to sieve it. It is important to sieve your flour. It makes it a whole lot more fluffier. So this is 2 cups of whole wheat flour. I'm going to add 1 cup of almond flour. So these are some of the modifications that we're making. Mix it together. I'm going to add 1 cup of stevia with molasses, which is brown stevia, which is a plant-based sweetener, actually sweeter than regular cane sugar. And with the molasses added to it, it makes it a whole lot healthier. Molasses is generally produced from sugar cane, and you can also use molasses, either the grade B or the first boil molasses, not the black stripe, to sweeten your food. Molasses is rich in vitamin C, potassium, manganese. It adds extra nutrition to this. We're also going to add 3 tablespoons of flaxseed meal, 2 tablespoons of chia seed, a pinch of Himalayan salt, and we're going to add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. We're going to mix all the dry ingredients together. Like I said, this is the healthier option. So no need to not enjoy your favorite snack or breakfast bread if we can make it healthier. Why not? So the chia seed and the flax seeds add extra fiber to this, which is good for gut health. We are going to set the dry ingredient aside. Our banana is ready, and we're just going to bring it out, let it cool a little bit so that we can actually handle it without getting burnt. And then we'll mix all the wet ingredients. Look at that. Now what we're gonna do is to take the banana. We're using 4 large bananas, and then we're gonna mash the bananas. You can use a fork also to mash them. This is supposed to give me about 2 to 3 cups of mashed vanilla in it. You can leave some chunks if you want. Sometimes it actually is good to have some of the chunks, but if you prefer to have it finely mashed, you can do so as well. We're gonna add 2 eggs, one at a time, and beat it together. Second one. So now we are going to combine the wet with the dry. But before we do that, we'll add 2 tablespoons of extract and a secret ingredient, which is the almond extract. This just takes it over the edge. And we'll mix. And here we go. And then we add 1 stick of butter, which is about half a cup. The key to this is to just stir it till all the flour is mixed together. You don't want the gluten to develop. We just want it to combine. Ensure not to overstir. You want to make sure that you get the bottom of the bowl. Ensuring there is no dry flour anywhere. Just a folding motion. Fold. With the ingredients all combined, we now spray our baking pan with some spray. You can choose to put parchment paper. Have parchment paper in there, and the spray helps it stay. Yes, I do not have parchment paper. Then what we're going to do is to scoop this in here. Half of this will go in this baking pan, and the other half here. Then we'll put them in the oven to bake for about 1 hour or 60 minutes. You want to bake it until the tester comes out clean. We'll be right back. And we're baking it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 177 degrees centigrade. After 60 minutes, the timer has gone off. Let's go check. Here we go. Look at that. We are going to let it cool for about 30 minutes. And then we're going to come back and we're going to take it out of here and then try it out. Whew. The moment of truth is here. We are going to leave the small one because this is a special one for my granddaughter and my grandson. And we are going to try the bigger one. We're just going to cut into it. Look at how that looks. It smells amazing. It's very moist. You can see chia seeds, the flax seeds. Everything looks great. This is so good. It is so moist. You can taste every single flavor. The almond, oh my God, it just takes it a whole notch. You can taste the almond flour. You can taste the chia seed, flax seed meal, and the sweetness. Wow, you can't even tell that this is not real sugar. This is plant-based. This is so good. It is just too good. How can you enjoy this? You can literally slice one of these and eat it for breakfast. Get a slice, warm it up, and eat it with some ice cream. And also, you can enjoy it with an ice cream sundae with hot fudge. And so I'll link my ice cream video right here or here. This is just too amazing. And this is healthy. Everything in this is very healthy, from whole wheat with 13.8% gluten in it, to chia seed, flax seeds, to the stevia with molasses, and of course, pasture-raised egg and homemade butter. The taste is amazing. But don't take my word for it. Hear it from someone else. How do you like it?
It's so good. The molasses is like such a deep flavor in it. And then the outside is so crunchy, and the inside's really smooth and soft and like melts in your mouth. And it's healthy.
So if you find value in this video, please
like, share, and subscribe.
And hit the notification button. This is Dr. Okeke saying thank you very much, and then always eat healthy and God bless. Now I gotta go finish this.